Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into a 3D cartoon in Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have imported my video to this Kinemaster project and I'm going to turn this video into a 3D cartoon style video. First of all, I'm going to select my video and then we're going to scroll down until we find the AI style. And here, as you can see, we will be able to apply the 3D cartoon style. I'm going to apply this effect to my video. Select this style. Okay, and now the effect is being applied to my video and we just need to wait for a moment. And I think I need to pause this video and I'll be right back if the process complete. Okay, now it's complete guys. As you can see that the effect has been applied to my video. And this is for the result. I'm going to play it. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.